Welcome back to McMoment, everyone. After using my MacBook Air for a long period, it recently began to shut down randomly for no reason. While I'm working, it just powers off itself. It's really weird and wastes a lot of my time. So I search it on YouTube and Google for days. According to Apple official document, there are many reasons that could cause this issue, but mainly these ones. First is software issues. It could be macOS version is too old. macOS system files are corrupted or installed some malware. Second is hardware issue, like battery, motherboard, or fans damaged and loose or damaged wire connections, which also could cause MacBook to overheat. Third is incompatible hardware, like external USB drives, hard drives, or internal memory. And any other reasons I didn't mention also could cause the MacBook to shut down randomly. To fix this issue, all we can do is check the reasons that we just list out one by one. First, I would like to introduce you guys to a tool named MacBook Genius. This tool that's specific make for macOS. It can reset SMC, NVRAM, and PRAM on any Mac. It also can detect what chip is on your Mac or what model your Mac is, so that it will give you the correct solution to fix issue. I already put the link in the description. Check it out by yourself. If you would like to know how to use 4D Dig MacBook Genius, check out this video. Second, check out if you have installed any third-party apps that come from nowhere. Uninstall them first. Third, disconnect any external device from your MacBook. For example, USB drive, hard drive, mouse, keyboard, or display. Disconnect them all and connect them back to it, one by one. Most likely is the USB drive, hard drive, or display issue. Fourth, update macOS if macOS version is too old. Reinstall macOS if it is the latest one. Usually neither of these two will cause any data loss, don't worry. For the old version of macOS, click Apple logo on the top left. About this Mac, click Software Update and then click Update Now. For latest version of macOS, put your MacBook into recovery mode. For M-chip MacBook, turn off your MacBook, then keep holding power button until you see the startup option window. Click the gear icon option and click Continue. Then you have to log in. After login, then you should get in recovery mode now. Then you can choose Reinstalled macOS option now. For Intel chip MacBook, restart your MacBook and then press and hold Command-R key. Keep holding till the recovery mode screen shows up. Then you can choose Reinstalled macOS option now. Fifth, run a diagnosis on the terminal and see if it can locate the exact issue. I will put this code in the description so that you guys can copy it easily. After the diagnosis, you might find out it shows caused by SMC or PRAM or NVRAM. Now let me show you how to reset them. Sixth, how to reset SMC on MacBook. For MacBook with T2 chip on, turn off your MacBook first. Then press and hold Control key, Option keys on the left side and Shift key on the right side for about 7 seconds. Then press and hold power button for another 7 seconds. Then release all the key. Then turn on your Mac. Then you had reset SMC on your MacBook. For MacBook without T2 chip on Intel chip, first shut down your MacBook. Press and hold power button and Shift Control Option keys on the left for about 10 seconds. Release all keys and turn on your MacBook. Then you had reset SMC on your MacBook. Seventh, how to reset NVRAM or PRAM on MacBook. For MacBook with M-chip on. If the macOS detected needs to reset, it will reset during the startup process, so you don't need to reset it by yourself. You can shut it down and wait for a few seconds before you turn it on. For MacBook with Intel chip on, turn off your MacBook. Then press Option key, Command key, P key, R key at the same time. Keep pressing it about 20 seconds. It might restart during the process. You might hear a startup sound more than once or see the Apple logo more than once. Then you need to adjust any system settings that were reset, or you can just skip it. 8. Get Apple support. If you try all the methods above, your MacBook still shut down randomly, then it must be some of the hardware is damaged. There's nothing you can do now but look for Apple support. You can find them on support.apple.com or go to the Apple Store near you. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest Mac tips and tricks. See you in the next video.